Attention all the student of second year electrical for professional development course. Topic number 5. It is a need and importance of social skills. So content of this syllabus topic number 5 I point wise discuss. First I will say the points on which we have to take discussion. They are need and importance of social skills for better group performance, important social skills such as social perceptiveness, then coordination, negotiation, persuasion, etc. Social perceptiveness, its importance, indicators of social perceptiveness. So these are the content of the this particular topic. So I will discuss first what is the social skill. Before discussing social skill, we should know what is a social. Social म्हणजे समाज it formed by the families of the persons. A number of families live together in a system, then it is called society. And from society the word social is derived. So here society depends upon caste based, religion based. Caste based society is also there. जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि राजपूत समाज है, सिंधी समाज है, हिंदू समाज में बहुत सारे समाज है डिपेंड अपॉन द कास्टिज्म. देन बोरा समाज है, रिलीजन्स आधार पे अपन डिवाइड करें, मुस्लिम समाज है. So Samaj is a very wide term in which the total number of peoples living in the country, they are divided into different society, and this society when society come in action, then it is called social. So social, it is a social skill means there are certain type of attitude of the persons who are living in the society. So social skill means a person when interact in the society, then he should have proper characteristic of social skill, and these characteristics are that he should be have a nature of cooperation, coordination, and respect to others, and then he should also speak well or speak well with the others. He behave with other person with politely, and he should also have the different type of characteristic like the speaking habit, speech qualities. Then he should have good body language when he talk to other. In social skills, there are so many activities which performed by the person when he go in a social group. So here we see then skills, they are related to the person who is living in a society. So skill, as I have told you, the number of good properties or good qualities of the person which help him to live in a healthy atmosphere of the society. So society atmosphere is totally depends on the person's skills which they are followed in the society. Whenever there is a group of persons present in some program or any type of activities or any type of event, then person should behave properly with body language, with speaking, then thoughts, then the compromising situations whenever it comes, then helps to the other, and all these types of things will come in the social skill. So social skill, if you go to YouTube, then you will find the number of lectures are given by different people at different angles. But my thinking is that if you want to live in a society, then you have to be social. As per the social science, the definition of human being is said to be that human is a social animal. Social animal मतलब बाकी एनिमल सोसाइटी में नहीं रहते हैं, लेकिन ह्यूमन बीइंग है, दे फॉर्म ए सोसाइटी और they are social animal. So this particular phrase is holds good for the society, and society of any kind. You will see that the compromise of the situations, cooperation and coordination between the persons, then individual habit of the person also affect to the other person. So your personal skill for society or social skill, it is best. First thing is that your impression. So impression regarding your personality. So first impression is by the looking, that will be the first impression by the personality. Second impression, when you start speaking, then that particular personality exposed to the other. And third thing is there, your body language and your behavior with the person to whom you are talking in the society. So in society activity, there are so many types of activity happens in the society. Say for example, wedding ceremony is a function in the society. Then some type of religious functions are there in the society. Then some social work type of work takes place in the society. So any type of activity which is performed by the society, so social skill is required by the person. Person means the individual person who is taking part in that particular function or that particular activity. So he should have these qualities of cooperation, coordination and speaking well, and have the good relationship with the peoples, and always ready to help the person whosoever want any type of help. So person should be helpful. So nowadays what happened, there are so many societies, or the religious based society or the common based society, they are having certain groups. So they say that this much social word उनके आगे लगा देते हैं, राजपूत सोशल ग्रुप, जैन सोशल ग्रुप. So this group formation is there for the purpose of some event organizing. So in any type of event, whether religious event is there, social event is there, or other type of events are there, it is managed by the social group. So in social group, normally the youngster peoples are taking part, and they are arranging some program, and in which they will they will represent their skills. So skills of social skill, that is all points I have given in which the social skills are covered. Now when we say social skill for better group performance, so this is again I have told you, if all these qualities person having, what are the qualities? First is the personal quality, personality, speaking habit, body language, thought of cooperation and coordination with the peoples, then politeness and good behavior with others. These are the qualities of the social skill for better group performance. If you are having all these type of qualities, in which the respect to other, this is also one of the good quality, the skill of the social, one of the social skill, that you should have good behavior with the person, and you have to cooperate the person wherever he require cooperation for the purpose of organizing any function. So these are all the better for performance, better performance of the society group for the any function. Normally if you are living in isolation, then there is no, even the family member will be cut off from you if you live in isolation. Present time is a different time, that the social distancing request by the government also, and due to this corona, so people's may living in isolation. This is a conditional, because till the corona exists in the country, the peoples will have to have social distance. So social distance is okay, that is a physical distance, but you should not have a mental distance. Mental distance means this is actually disrupt total society or social structure. So even though still today people are living in isolation, but they are mentally connected to each other, and there are certain medium by which persons are relating to each other with the help of mobile phone or any type of communication medium, by which people are daily talking to each other, or by the social networking sites like WhatsApp, Facebook and all that. These are helping in this. At this period people are maximum using these two, Facebook and WhatsApp, for communication of their thoughts, their emotions and all that with the person. So society is necessary for living the persons, because human being is a social animal, as I have told you. So here in group performance, if all these qualities you possess, then performance of the group for any activity organization will be better. Then skills such as social perceptiveness. Now perceptiveness means we have to have a perception regarding a society or a social group, that how this group is working, what is the aim of that group, and how they are working for that particular task. So any task which is to be taken, it is coming under perception, that you have a perception of helping others, then you have to start this type of activities. If you are having a perception to meet peoples and enjoy with them with your social activities, then this is the perception. So perception word or perception which is coming under the social skill. It is also a way in which we try to connect the persons to person. Person to person mean many times we see that some people are like to live in isolation. So it is their inherent quality. Normally depends upon the nature of the person, they are living according to that. So perceptiveness, it is to be developed by the member of the society, so that maximum people join that social activities. So perceptiveness is basically a condition in which we have to convince the people for join the activities of the society for different purpose. So perceptiveness, definitely it is a foresightness, we can say, that person can imagine that what things can be happen in a particular type of organization or organizing any activity, what type of peoples will be there, how to behave with them, and how to coordinate them, how to cooperate them, and how to listen their difficulties also. Because many society I have seen, many social setup I have seen that peoples are very much helpful to their social person. So there is a, as I told you in earlier time, that in the beginning of the lecture, that society based on the casteism as well as on the religious structure. So you see that unity is one of the perceptiveness of the society, that all the peoples, they are united for their society or their social work. So here there is a scattering of the persons according to group formed by the society, and these groups are formed according to one common things is there in the group. Either they are religiously related, or either they are caste wise they are related. So all the society, इसको फिर हिंदी में अपन बोलते हैं समाज. तो समाज मतलब समाज नॉर्मली जैसे ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स अपना चला आ रहा है सोशल वर्क में, कि दैट मैरिज of the persons or the boys and girls, they have to be prefer first their society, मतलब caste. They try to casteism is there, so they will first form the opinion that they will be married with a person of their own caste. So it is for both girl and boy. But nowadays there are so many things happening like love marriage, in which casteism and religion, these both things are destroyed, and maximum we heard that people are going for love marriage. But success rate of love marriage is less than arranged marriage. Arranged marriage, it is done by the choice of the parents, and it is in the society. So there is a foundation in that particular type of marriage, which is done in the society with the help of or suggestion of or advice of our elders, parents, or other relatives. So that will have complete bonding on the boys and girls to live together for long time. Long time matlab whole life, we can say. So this is only possible when you go for society or social combination, or you go for marriage in your society. That will be said to be the arranged marriage. But love marriage, it can be done inter-religious or inter-caste. So inter-caste or inter-religious marriage, they are also successful, but their rates is less as compared to arranged marriage. So what happen normally, people's nowadays, because of the situation of the society, maximum peoples are going for love marriage, and it is not to be said to be bad, because it is the choice of the two person to live together. So it is a particular type of arrangement, and in which the peoples are also come forward to support this. But many castes in Haryana or Punjab, the peoples are very much against this love marriage type of activity, and they are, it is called many times many crimes will be followed after this particular marriage, love marriage, or that is honor killing. You have heard this word, that they want to have their respect in their society, or they feel that they are the main power in the society, and if anyone go across that by intercaste marriage, then honor killing cases are very much there in the North India. Because of uneducation, North Indian peoples are not highly educated. Their education is less than the South Indian persons, and thoughts is also very backward thoughts are there in North India compared to South Indian regarding society, marriage and all that. Other thoughts, religious thoughts, are there for every community according to their own religion. The religious thoughts are different, but social thoughts are different. Social liberty, it is more given in case of South Indian peoples, and less liberty is given in the North Indian peoples for the purpose of marriage activity and all things. So that's why nowadays, you know, that living relationship, this is also one of the bad culture started in the society. But why it is so? Because there is no responsibility. Society में जब relationship में persons are living, then they are having no foundation of society. So their breakup will also become fast. Some 2-3 months they are living together, then say you go and you go, so the relation is over, khatam. So this type of activities, why it is emerging nowadays in society? Because of the honor killing type of activities, or peoples are backward in accepting the relation in intercaste or interreligion, and they form this type of habit. जैसे लव जिहाद का सुनने को मिलता है यूपी में, तो ये एक अलग टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है सोसाइटी का, that should be cleared properly. Whenever two persons are married, then they should understand each other and also take the consent of their families and also see the background of families. Then they will do, if intercaste marriage or inter-religion marriage, then it will be successful. But on the name of this type of things which is going on in UP, it is totally politicized and communalized. So these particular things is harmful for both the community. So society or social perceptiveness में coordination, negotiation and persuasion etc. These are coming in perceptiveness. So coordination, as I have told you, if you coordinate to each other by your thoughts, by your language, by your behavior, by your activities, then it will be coordination, that we help for particular activity for its success. We should coordinate. Coordinate means you have to add the person in the society which are unsocial. Unsocial means their activity are not social, they are want to live alone and isolation. These are the things that so many people, they never joined any function in the society and they are cut off from the society in this way because their participation in that is minimum or it is negligible. So this type of condition arise. So for this coordination, perceptiveness should be there, that we want to join the society for more and more person to inspire for joining the society or social works. So here negotiation word is come. So negotiation, it is based on the task. For any task, if somebody is not agree to do that, then the group negotiation is there. Negotiation मतलब किसी बात के लिए किसी बंदे को राजी करना. Okay, so there are so many types of activities running in the society and sometimes it required negotiation. So this negotiation quality should be there. It is one of the skill coming under society. Now if you see then social perceptiveness, as I have told you, you have to judge the situation and according to that you work. Then it is known as perceptiveness. Perception किसी चीज के बारे में बना लेना, it is also one of the habit in the person. Some peoples are having a perception regarding other society that the peoples are like this, they cannot be adjusted. So okay, if you are not belong to that society, so you don't suggest or you don't comment on that society. Whatever is thing going on, it is according to their ideology in that society, and according to that their persons are negotiate to each other for the purpose of any activities, and according to that they will perform. Then persuasion is also one word is coming here. Persuasion मतलब किसी चीज को मोटिवेट करना, उसको आगे चलाने के लिए प्रयास करना. So pursue करना means if you have some good thought to improve or to implement in a society or in a social system, then you have the quality of persuasion quality should be there, so that you can convince for whatever things you want to introduce in a society. For that you should convince or persuade with the persons of the society members and the persons on the higher post. Suppose any organization or any society, they form their own office bearers for different type of works. So whenever you go for persuasion, so this you should have the convincing power to persuade the person. So persuasion is basically required for starting some new work or some point or problem in the society which is faced by the society. So some people have some ideas to remove or to to replace that particular things by some good thing. So he should have a persuasion quality, and persuasion quality convincing power is necessary. The person should convince whatever he thinking for betterment of the society. He should persuade the office bearers of the society. Now this is the society which I have discussed, the social setup with the with reference to the casteism and religion. But society can be formed by the multiple relationship or multiple casteism also. So in this case, you say the example of that Gokul Dham society of that Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma में जो बताया. In that particular case, you see different religion peoples are there, different caste peoples are there, but they are living together. Total activities of that serial, if you see, then every time there are some problem arises in the society, and the society peoples or social person, they are all active in that to solve that problem, and they are doing for each other, means one for all for one. If there is a problem with a one person, then whole society will come along with him, and if there is a problem of the society, then whole person join us that particular problem solving that particular problem solving. So the society does not mean only caste basis or religion basis, but it is also in the group of society where some the living status are there in multi-storied building, or they form a group in which they are complete form a colony. So a colony people may have a different caste, may have different religion, but if they want to live in the social atmosphere, then all these properties which I have discussed, this should be followed by that. And I have seen other in many cases the multi-storied buildings are there in which 16 flats are there, 32 flats are there. In metropolitan city, there are still big societies are there. They are living in one particular multi-storied building, but their cooperation, coordination is so good that every particular festival they are celebrating it without thinking of the religious status of any other member, and all peoples will follow the rules and regulation made by that society. So nowadays the communication is important between the person to person, and in olden time what happened, अगर अपन बहुत पुराने ज़माने की सेटअप में जाएंगे सोसाइटी के, तो आपने देखा होगा कि एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया रहता था और उसमें उसको गुआड़ी बोलते थे वो, और उसमें बहुत सारे लोग रहते थे. ऐसी पुराने टाइप्स की सोसाइटीज़ भी अभी अवेलेबल है, इन विच डिफरेंट कास्ट पीपल्स आर देयर, बट दे आर लिविंग टुगेदर, दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग टुगेदर, दे आर ऑल्सो टेक पार्ट इन एनी टाइप ऑफ bad or good happens in the society. They are all cooperate and coordinate each other. So in modern time, this is multi-storied building societies are started, and here also the people, educated peoples are living in that society mostly, with all different profession peoples are there, different caste peoples are there, different religion peoples are there. But whenever there is a social skill will come, the peoples are have this type of social skill which I have discussed just above. Then social perceptiveness, as I have told you, that it is the assessment of the situation regarding any society before you have to go for its suggestion or any type of other thing. So this is the proper thing. The last particular article given, it is importance and indicators of social perceptiveness. So indicators, what they are, perceptiveness, if persons is having, then automatically his particular attitude or approach for solving the problems. It is that coming under the perceptiveness of the indicators. तो indicators perceptiveness के indicators यही है कि people is fully involved in the society work and he has to perform the things according to that. Then there are some point given. जैसे second point, during teaching learning the student group should be 4 and 5 per student. The duration should be given for some task for 1 to 2 hours. So this is a practical problem which is to be taken in the classroom. 4-5 student, one batch is prepared and a task is given to them for 1 to 2 hours, and then observe it how they are doing. So all the qualities you have to observe in the student, and if people are not having that type of quality which is required for social skills, then you have to, as a teacher, you have to explain them and try to say them to follow it in their life. And during assessment, the student group size should be 4 to 5 and duration of the task should be 30 to 45 minutes. So this is also one exercise that is possible only when there we will meet in the classroom. Then assessment rating for student social perceptibility. So इसमें 4-5 पॉइंट दिए इसने. शो द सेंसिटिविटी एंड अंडरस्टैंड अदर्स perspectives, and second is try to understand point of view of others. Third point, try to respect the group of member despite of disagreements and difference of opinion. ये सब मैं बता चुका हूँ आपको. शो दी कंसर्न्स फॉर अदर्स एंड अदर्स नीड. दूसरों की हेल्प करने के लिए आप में जज्बा होना चाहिए. सो द फिफ्थ पॉइंट ही हैज गिवन, try to include other members in the problem solving. So naturally many times some problem we will concentrate between a very small group and we could not find the solution. So in that case we should be involve other peoples also for problem solving. So this is all for this topic number 5, which is given on social skill. So whatever points I have discussed, you have to listen it properly and try to develop a good skill, the good social skill in yourself by learning all these points which I have given for social skill. Okay, body language is very important in the social skill. ऐसा नहीं कि अपन सोसाइटी के कोई प्रोग्राम में गए, अलग अलग खड़े हैं, अलग अलग अपनी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रहा है. बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी है कि हम कान में हाथ डाल रहे हैं, नाक में हाथ डाल रहे हैं, सिर खुजा रहे हैं, या ऐसे कुछ तो भी एक्टिविटी रहती है. नेचुरली ये पर्सन को इनहेरेंटली रहती है, और वो जब भी सोसाइटी में जाए तो ये जो पर्सनल बैड हैबिट्स बोलूँगा उसको मैं, बैड हैबिट्स किसी में भी हो सकती है, मेरे में भी हो सकती है, किसी भी पर्सन में हो सकती है, बट दिस बैड हैबिट्स शुड नॉट बी presented or the performed in the social group. Otherwise you will be treated that this person is not suitable for the society. So you try to find this particular, try to give the attention on these habits. You analyze yourself, what are the bad habits in yourself, and these bad habits should be removed by practice. That many peoples will आपको बोलेंगे तब आप उसको रिमूव करोगे तो it is not good. So attention of the other people should not be there on your bad habits. So if you are not perform any bad habits in the group of the society, then nobody will be attracted for your that particular habit. So you try to remove these habits. Every person have some habits. Bad habits की क्वांटिटी वो उसमें मतलब कैटेगरी में आएगा, लेकिन अपन को खुद को नहीं मालूम है कि अपन जब इस तरह की एक्टिविटी कोई करते हैं तो कोई देख रहा है क्या. कभी कभी लोग दांत काटने लगते हैं अपने नाखून से. अब ये प्रैक्टिकली आप अकेले बैठे हो, घर में कर रहे हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट अगर सोसाइटी में जाके आप कोई फंक्शन अटेंड कर रहे हो और उसमें बैठे बैठे अपने दांत काट रहे हो बैठ के, तो ये it is not allowed. Okay, so these are the things which you have to follow in your life when you go in any society work. So this is all for today. All type of characteristics or skill which is required for the social people's I have discussed, and according to that you try to change your behavior, and if you change your behavior, then everything will be happens good in your society, and there will be no problem in the society. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.